Have you ever invested in a good quality bra, only to find that within just a few washes it has lost its shape completely? The cups become distorted, the fabric loses its elasticity, and the overall support diminishes. This is an experience many people share, and it often affects more than just the garment itself. When a bra no longer fits or functions correctly, it can quietly impact your comfort and confidence throughout the day. The reason this happens is simple. Most of us were never properly taught how to care for our bras. Bra care is not just about keeping fabric clean, it is about preserving structure, maintaining comfort, and extending the lifespan of an item that plays an important role in how we feel and present ourselves. In this video, you will learn the complete step-by-step method for washing your bras correctly, from fabric type to drying technique. To understand why proper washing matters, we first need to understand what accumulates in a bra with regular wear. Throughout the day, the fabric comes into direct contact with the skin. Over time, sweat, natural body oils, dead skin cells, and bacteria build up within the fibers, particularly in the band and cup areas. This is a completely natural process, but if not addressed through regular and correct washing, it can degrade the fabric and affect hygiene. Before washing, it is important to recognize that different bra types require different levels of care. Padded bras need gentle handling to protect foam cups. Underwire bras require protection to prevent the wire from bending or breaking. Wireless bras are more flexible but still benefit from careful treatment. Sports bras designed for high-impact use collect more sweat and may need more frequent washing. Lace bras are the most delicate and require the gentlest approach. As a general guideline, washing after every 2 to 3 wears is recommended for most bra types. For padded underwire and delicate bras, hand washing is the most effective and safest method. Begin by filling a basin with cool or lukewarm water. Never use hot water, as it breaks down elastic fibers. Add a small amount of gentle detergent, preferably one formulated for delicate fabrics. Submerge the bra fully and allow it to soak for several minutes, letting the detergent work through the fabric before you begin any active cleaning. Once soaked, gently squeeze the fabric to work the soapy water through the material. Focus particularly on the band and straps, where buildup tends to concentrate. It is essential to avoid twisting, wringing, or scrubbing the bra. These actions distort the cups and damage the underwire. Instead, use a soft, pressing motion. Rinse thoroughly under cool running water until no soap residue remains. This process, done mindfully, is also a small moment of intentional self-care in your routine. If hand washing is not possible and you need to use a washing machine, there is a correct way to do it. Always place the bra inside a mesh laundry bag before putting it in the machine. This prevents the straps from tangling, the hooks from snagging on other garments, and the underwire from warping inside the drum. Select the delicate or gentle cycle and use cold water. Avoid washing bras with heavy items such as jeans or towels, as the friction causes premature wear. One of the most critical rules in bra care is this: never place a bra in a tumble dryer. The heat generated by a dryer is extremely damaging to elastic fibers. It causes the elasticity to break down permanently, leading to a bra that no longer retains its shape or provides adequate support. Even one cycle in a high-heat dryer can significantly shorten the lifespan of a bra. Always opt for air drying as the safer and more effective alternative. The method of air drying also matters. Padded bras should be laid flat on a clean, dry towel to dry. Hanging a padded bra by its straps allows water weight to pull down and distort the cups. Wireless bras can be hung by the center gore, the small panel between the cups, which distributes weight evenly without distorting the shape. Allowing bras to dry in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight will preserve both the color and the fabric integrity. Another important habit is rotating between multiple bras rather than wearing the same one every day. Elastic fabric needs time to recover its shape between wears, ideally at least 24 hours. Wearing the same bra on consecutive days without rest accelerates the stretching of the band and reduces overall lifespan. Having a rotation of 2 to 3 bras and cycling through them regularly is one of the simplest ways to extend the life and performance of each one. When you take care of your bras correctly, they take care of you in return. They maintain their shape, provide consistent support, and last significantly longer. More than that, the practice of caring for your belongings, including the items you wear closest to your body, is a quiet form of self-respect. If you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe for more practical wellness and lifestyle content. Take care of yourself and take care of the things that support you.